Hi everyone, my name is Samson Allison, and today we are going to look on how to save a workbook in a previous Excel format. File created in the earlier version can be opened and revised in 2016 Excel version. However, if some of your users do not have the latest version or using other application, they might not be able to open your Excel file 2016 file. You can save a copy of Excel 2016 into another folder, and by saving it to Excel 1997 to 2003 workbook format. The program symbol displayed with a different file name is different, but it is good idea to give the earlier edition file a different name. It is also good an idea to check which features might be lost with the Excel compatibility check. So let's open our previous document. We go to File and we look for how to, this document that we saved last time. We click on it. You can as well using any document you can open any document and follow the training. So when we click on it, we launch an exist file that we have in our system. So now what we are going to do is this. First, we need to check for compatibility issues. So what we are going to do, we go to File, and there we click Info. From the backstage view, we click on Info. When we click on Info, we'll also click on Check for Issue. This is Check for Issue. And from our Check for Issue, we can then click for Check for Compatibility. So we check for compatibility. As you can see, immediately we check for compatibility, you can see that the dialog box open. It's open. So you can use this one to know which of the data is outside the row or limited with the 2016. So you can see how compatible your file is. When you click on check, you can click OK. So when we go back to that place, we can click on Info, check for compatibility, and check for another way, check for compatibility. So it said that no compatibility issue find, and so it's always good to check for compatibility in your Excel workbook. So after then, what we are going to do is this. If there's any issue with your compatibility, you read information and then click OK. So we click. Let's go to File. We click on File and we click on Export because we want to save in another format, another previous format of Excel. So we go to Export, and when we say click on Export, we click on Change File Type. Change File Type. The back view show this when you click on it. So, and from there we can select the type that we want. We can select the type that we want. So what we are looking at is that we want to save as Excel 1997 to 2003. So we're going to click on 1997 to 2003. So after we click on, we go down to click on Save As. So it now bring out the dialog box, and what we just need to do now, so click the File tab and we just need to click on Save. So by doing that, we have saved as 1997 to 2003 format. So we click Continue because I try to warn us for compatibility. So, and after that, what we need to do is go to File tab and click Open. So when we click open, what we're going to do is now, by the right panel of the backstage view, we show the latest set of document that has been saved. So we have to click on the one that we are just saved now. So we click on it and it will open. So this is what we are just saved now. We have saved it as Excel 1997 to 203. So this is how to save Excel from this recent format to previous format, because it's necessary for us to save it. If you are going to send the file to another person to work on, that person or that our client may or may not have the new Excel 2016, or they may still be working on Excel 2003. So for them to be able to open it effectively, you need to save it as a previous version. And mind, if you are saving it as a previous version, mind you need to change the name in order to be able to identify which type is different one. So that is very good. And that is our tutorial for now. Hope you have learned one or two things. And in our next tutorial, we continue on how to save in different file formats. So thank you very much.